Okay, student. Now let us take the another numerical problem. What is this? A body has uniform acceleration of 5 km per hour. Find its value in CDS. Okay. Value of acceleration is given in kilometer per hour, and we have to convert it in CGS system. We have to take the help of dimensional analysis. Already I have explained you the conversion of unit from one system to another. Now let us take the similar type of questions, numerical problems here again. Then here what is given? This one is N1. What? Numerical value of acceleration. We have to find out the value of N2 in CGS system. But I have already explained it. At first we write down the dimension of given quantity. Okay. Then what is that given quantity? Acceleration. Okay. This here the given physical quantity is acceleration. Then dimension of acceleration is what? Already we know, L to the power 1 t to the power minus. Okay. Then what we do in conversion of unit? We write down for the second system with suffix 2 and first system with suffix 1. So here write down at first dimension L1 t to the power minus 1, again here L1 t to the power minus 2. The dimension on both sides are same. Then give it the system number 2. We have taken system number 2 as CGS system, and first system is what? Given value in kilometer per hour. Then say this to be first, second system, and this to be first. जिसमें आपको निकालना है उसको हम लोग सेकंड मान लेंगे, जो दिया हुआ उसको फर्स्ट. Okay. Then write down this suffix 2. This is system is L2 to the power 1 t to the power minus 2 dimension of acceleration, and here with symbol 1. First system, this represents kilometer per hour. Okay. Now we write down here numerical value. This numerical value is 1, and this numerical value is numerical value of second. Then this is what? N1 is already given, that is 5. Okay, N1 is 5, and we have to find out the value of N. Then what we do? The second step is what? Take the value of N2, that will be 5, L1 by L2 with similar unit together, एक साथ लेंथ को एक साथ, टाइम को एक साथ. So with the similar quantities together. So L1 by L2, we divide this. Power is here 1, and here what is T1 by T2 to the power minus. Okay. And here value is N1. Okay. Then N2 is N2 will be the numerical value of acceleration in CGS unit. N1 is the numerical value of acceleration in kilometer per hour. L1, L2 is the dimensions of length of first system. First means kilometer per hour, and second system means CGS. Here T1, T2 is the dimension of time in this one and this one. Now let us put the values. Here what is the value of N1? That is 5. Here write down 5. Here L1 is in what? Kilometer. Then write 1 kilometer. Okay. And here L2 is in CGS, that is 1 centimeter. Okay, unit. Then here the dimension of length. L1 is for first system, that is the unit is given in kilometer, then this is 1 kilometer. L2 is the dimension of second system. This is second system is CGS, that is 1, that will have the unit of length will be 1 cm. Okay, this one has, now this one will have power 1. Now T1 is the dimension of time in first unit. Here what is given here, that is hour, in hour. Then this will have in hour. Okay, and this is T2 is in centigram second. This is in second. Okay, but this will have the power dimension minus. Okay, it is clear to you? Now write down like this. यहाँ लिखिए N2 is what? N2 equal to 5 into, convert this kilometer in centimeter. Then 1 kilometer equal to 1 into 1000 meter into 100 centimeter. This is in centimeter. Okay, 1 kilometer equal to 1 into 1000 meter into 100 centimeter, and this one is 1 cm. Okay, and power is what? That is 1. And here 1 hour, take 1 hour in second. Then 1 hour means what? 60 minutes into 60 seconds. This is now in second. 1 hour is in 60 into 60 seconds, and 1 second, that is 1 second. Having power minus. Okay. Then now let us see here. This will be cancelled. System of unit is same now. Then this will have 5, and this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power 5. Okay. Having power 1 divided by 1, that is this one. And here this is what? 60 into 60, that is 60 into 60. Having power minus 2. Then this will be written as 5 into 10 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, and this is with negative sign 2. Then this will be 1 by 60 into 60 with power 2. Okay, minus will be converted to plus, divided में आ जाएगा आपका. Then write down here 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is what now? 60 into 60 into 60 into 60. Okay, now let us take 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has been cancelled. Now cancel this. This is 3 and this is 5. Now what has been left on numerator? This is only 5 into 5 into 1, that is 25. And here 6 into 6 into 6 divided by. Now calculate this value. Obviously this value will be 0.0386. You may check, and this will be in what? Unit is, this is in CGS, then centimeter per second square. You may check, calculate this one. Calculate कर लीजिए, and this will give this value. Okay, check कर लीजिए आप.